Let's take a look at how to add a reference line with a constant value and a color in a time series line chart. To do that, in Oracle Cloud, click the navigation menu. Go to Observability and Management. Under the Management Dashboard section, click Dashboards, and then click Create Dashboard. Go to the Widgets tab, click the plus icon, and then click Create Query-Based Widgets. You must select the namespace. In this example, I select the OCI Compute Agent namespace. Now, I see the CPU utilization query displays. Next, click Run to execute this command. Now that I see the data populating, I select the line chart as the visualization. Next, let's add a constant value-based reference line with a red color to this widget. To do so, let's go to the JSON editor. To open the JSON editor, click JSON. Now, let's edit the UI config section, specifically the chart info and the jet config. Next, under the jet config, I will add a reference objects array for the y-axis. Now, right-click and select Format Selection. This code will add a red reference line at the value 10 on the line chart. Let's save this and take a look at the line chart in the UI. Now I see at value 10 there's a red reference line. Let's add a name, a description, and then save. Now I see the custom metric widget on the dashboard.